Alright, here's the second part. We'll just continue where we left off. Whoops. Okay, so H. Confirm the make unconstrained variables non-negative box is selected. Okay. Make unconstrained variables non-negative. What basically that means is it doesn't want any negative hours put into these numbers. So when the Excel sheet crunches the numbers, it doesn't want to say you worked out -5 times per week. That's not possible. And so you want to make sure this is checked, and that will ensure that. So check. I click solve, and this is the magic part. Excel will give you a value where it does. So let's click solve. And we're going to say save solver results as a scenario. So we're going to click save scenario. Save scenario. Okay. And it says type 3500 burn as the serial name. Okay. 500 burn. And then we're going to hit OK. And then we're going to go click this and click restore original values. And we're going to click select answer in the reports list. Answer, okay. Select that. And then we're going to hit OK. Alright. So now it's going to go back to restoring to where it was. Boom, there it is. Okay. We're going to create a scenario summary report now. We're going to click What If Analysis button. Select Scenario Manager. Go up here to What If Analysis. Scenario Manager. We're going to click on the Summary button. Summary. We're going to click the Result Cells box. Okay, we're going to do D5, D9, type a comma, and then select E10. Click here, D5 to D9, we're going to hit a comma, and we're going to select E10. Okay, so it should look like this when it's all said and done. There's the comma in between. Click this again, and then we're going to hit OK, and then the report should be generated a new worksheet. All right, we're hit OK. Boom, and there it is. This is the summary of what we did. All right. And so this is pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. Because it tells you, okay, this is where we're at. Okay. This is what happens if we double it. Okay. And then this tells us if we burn 3,500 calories. This is the way to do it. It says you should do high intensity training twice a week, run once a week, do Zumba 3.5 times a week, swim once a week, pump weights once a week. And so a lot of businesses will use this tool to figure out, how to manipulate sales and how to make the most profit out of labor and material in any business. So now we're going to go down to create a one variable data table to calculate total calories. So we're going to click the calorie journal. Okay. So calorie journal is right there. We're going to select I5. Okay. We're going to type equals. I'm sorry. Okay, we're up here. Select I5, which we did. We're going to select E15. And going to click equals E15. E15. Right there. Zoom in a little bit. Get off of my screen. Oh, come on. Why is my Excel frozen? Oh, there it goes. Okay. We're going to hit equals, and we're going to click I15 and hit enter. So equals I15, I5 I meant. Yep. Hit enter. Boom. There we go. So we are at, frick, where did I go? Okay. So right here, select cells D15 to E23 as data table range. So D15 to E23 is right there. Then we're going to hit what if and data table. So what if data table. We're doing the input column. We'll select G5. G5 is right there. Hit OK. Boom. Okay. And that matches with this, so we know we're doing good. So then we're going to go to 10. It says create, oops, there we go. A two variable, oops, too much. Create a two variable data table to calculate total calories. So we're first going to select L15. Okay. L15 is right there. Okay. We're going to hit equals and click on I5. Equals I5. Hit enter. We're going to select L15 to T27. We're basically going to repeat the same process. L15 to T23. So L15 to T23, I think it's just the whole, yep, whole box there. Make sure you highlight that whole box. We're going to hit what if, choose data table, data table. Then we're going to select cell E5 for the row input cell box. So click this. E5. E5. Okay. E5 is right here. And then for the column, we're going to select G5. G5. So now we have two variables we're manipulating. We're looking at the effects of lunch and dinner on calories, especially if lunch and dinner are 600 calories and 800 calories. So that's how you'd read this data table. All right, once we did that, we're going to hit OK. And boom. This fills in our table, just like that. Okay. Then it says select cell J1 and insert a page break. Page layout, page setup group. So J1 is right there. We're going to go to page layout. Page break. Insert page break. There it is. There's the line. Now we're going to create a pivot table for the dental insurance data. So, well, I'll make that on the next video.